Welcome to 2304 Rainwater, located in Apache Shores. We are across the street from a bird sanctuary. If you can hear all the tweets, it's great. All right, shall we? This property is a little over 1,800 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a Jack and Jill bathroom. Has an open concept with concrete floors. Let's go in. So we enter into the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, wood cabinets. And like any good island, it has electricity and storage. So we gotta love that. Here, we have a very large laundry room pantry. My clients are moving, so forgive the stuff. Alrighty, moving on. We have the dining area where you can see you can set up a little bar or a little area. We have 2 exits in the living room to the outdoor patio area. Alrighty. Moving on. We have this cute little perfect place for a little shelf. This is the first. This is a half bath. Alright. And here we come in to the baby's room. Which is not required to be a baby's room. All right. And then we have a closet, a little peek, but it's filled with stuff. So, vanity, hello. We have potty. And we have bathroom, super cute. Then we have another vanity, another closet. Again, they're moving. All right. This they use as their office. This is considered the 2nd bedroom. And while we're here, it does have access to the backyard. One of the lovely things about this property is it has a very large backyard. Has a shed to keep your lawn equipment. Nice fence. And you're in Apache Shores. You're a mile from the lake. Lake Austin access. So here we move into where there's more storage. And the water heater. And then the primary bedroom. That is a king-size bed. Really pretty out the windows. And then you have an exit out, but we'll come back to that. Alrighty. Then we have the primary bathroom. Really pretty. All right, now let's check out this fabulous patio, shall we? This is gonna be a great place to cook out, grill, have your friends over, entertain, spy on neighbors. Just kidding. All right. So see, they have a freezer, grill, cookout area, seating area to have your coffee in the morning. Have a little sun bath. Or just come over to the bar and enjoy. Yeah, so this is really a great property. It is priced to sell at $599. Please give me a call.